there's a quote from a movie that they say, सपने सबके होते हैं, सिर्फ एक मौका देना पड़ता है.
And we feel, even we both, even them, everybody is unique. So you can't compare. And you have to accept each other. That is the most important thing.
Hello, we have Principal Aruna Pandya with us today, and she is the principal of Sri Ram Welfare School in Andheri K West Ward, a school that has been part of Abhyuday for since 2008, but ma'am has been with us in partnership with us since 2012. She has recently retired from there, but as we know, educators never retire and they keep the work going. So ma'am, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please share with us a little bit about how your journey with Abhyuday started.
The journey started with Rukaya ma'am. She actually brought the concept of Abhyudaya. We were not aware what is Abhyudaya, because though you have been working from 2008, maybe our school also was not aware. So she brought it to our school. She shared the idea how that the students of engineering college, this SP Jain college, will be given a grade in their report card that how much they do this kind of social work also. And I was very thrilled because I always look out for this kind of education where the education has a purpose. It is not just to meet your own dreams or your own aspirations, but also along with you, you help the others to grow. And that is why when she came up with this, I was very thrilled, I was very receptive, and we started right from day one. She told that she requires some certain sitaras because per school, every school, aided school especially. So then our teacher, I told you Madhuri teacher, she was there at that point of time in 5th standard. So I used to tell her. So though now she has become 8th standard teacher, but she is the teacher who coordinates with Ajay sir also all the time. And they select the students who are bright and then who belong to the underprivileged background. So they can have aspirations, but they do not know how to fulfill. And then they get this invaluable mentorship from your students. And then they get to explore the other side, because we are providing what we have to do at Sri Ram, but then they are providing the other side. So the complete spectrum is getting covered. And today when I saw my students, I was so thrilled that they are going great places and they are still learning. So we are hoping that Abhyudaya and Sri Ram bonding continues, and we are very, very happy for that.
So nice to hear this. There's a quote from a movie that they say, सपने सबके होते हैं, सिर्फ एक मौका देना पड़ता है. And I know at your school also you have given a lot of opportunities to the children there. You've been at the forefront in K West Ward as a leader in this work. So can you share a little bit about that work of innovation? And you have a beautiful library. And there's so many other opportunities also that you have provided. So I know you talk about the balance, but can you share a little about
Yes,
that?
actually what we always feel is every child is differently abled, and we feel, even we both, even them, everybody is unique. So you can't compare. You can't expect me to be Aarti, or you cannot expect Aarti to be Aruna. So we have to become the better versions of ourselves. And for that, I have to first identify what potential lies in me. So in Sri Ram, what we do is we give them a complete thali. We always say we give you a complete thali, not a la carte. So then each and every kind of stimuli given to the student at each and every standard, right from 5th to 10th, they are with us. They are there from 1st to 4th. But because our CSR partners, they have some license standards, so they can operate from 6th to 12th standard. That way the license is. So what we strive is we give every kind of stimuli. आपको रीडर है, आप राइटर हो, आप प्ले राइट, आपको डांस करना है, म्यूजिक करना है, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट करना है, एनीथिंग, whatever is your forte, you recognize your strength. Whatever is your natural call, you recognize. It could be academics, it could be skill based. And I'm very thankful because not only me, everyone at Sri Ram, we always think for the overall well-being of the students. So our management also started with Sri Ram Skill Center. So those who are not academically enabled, they are not so strong with their academics. The strong ones come to you, but everybody is not like that. The way you mentioned Tare Zameen Pe, I like Faltu. the movie, because there everybody online, offline, they could pursue their dreams, because everything can become a professional course. Need not be just the ones who are good in academics. If you're really good in flower arrangement, so fool wala is like fool wala, but now you become florist. So now like that, even you have for grooming for the hair also. So many, this dignity of labor ho jata hai. You know your call, and then that becomes your profession. So you work continuously, but because you are so like involved, you are passionate, you never feel that you are working. And that kind of opportunity we would like to give to our students. And so we give different kinds of stimuli, and there our donors, our patrons, our alumni, and our CSR partner. And because we are an aided school, NGOs keep helping us a lot, because they are supposed to work with aided schools. So being an aided school, we get all those opportunities. And in that, I told you, we have a library, we have a ICT lab, we even have medical room, because that is also very important. My girls who stay in that area, they were very low anemia, they had lot of anemia in them. So then the Americas wing of WPP India, they used to check, we used to take consent of the parents, and so Americas used to head to toe, that screening is to be done. They used to check if the levels of iron is good, their way of doing or performing becomes better. And for girls it is very important, because they are going to be the future mothers. So from all aspects, not only the academic part, not only the emotional aspect, we also have mental health sessions, because nowadays this has become a core problem. They are very good, they are intelligent, they got their stream where they want to be, but that mental peace is not there, because they are simply creating some problems or something overthinking they do, and then they get into certain kind of company. So for all these things also, you're mentally also you need to be strong. So we have mental sessions, and all my teachers in Sri Ram, we always have one common thing, that wherever we are lacking, we will enable ourselves, we will learn that particular thing, and we will strive together as a team SRWS and reach out to each and every child. So management, all stakeholders, parents, even students, they also help us many times. In fact, my alumni, she had come up with this movie. She is ambassador for girl child hygiene. She is a nutritionist. So she came up to our school, and our students played in that. You can watch it on YouTube. She is ambassador. So in that, they talk about girl child hygiene, which is a taboo, openly, so to educate everybody how it is important. Even boys are sensitized towards it. So gender equality also we take care that way. But there is nothing to hide, nothing to feel embarrassed. It's a natural process. And with the health part, we also look into mental sessions, and even the Awaken Citizen program from Ramakrishna, that we do, so that the students are becoming equally responsible. And every time we believe, the way you all were sharing today, we don't preach. Preaching never helps. We provide, we present, they see the situation, they come up with the ideas, and there is nothing right, nothing wrong. Anything can be relative depending on the person's previous experience. So we accept. You have to accept each other. That is the most important thing. And that way we have been building infrastructure also, even the learning sessions also. We have flipped classroom. Post-COVID, we learned many technical things. So we have flipped classroom, where the what part is done at home. Our teachers have uploaded videos on an app, and the students are able to access that app through their parents' mobile anytime. It's on mobile, on laptop, anywhere you can access. And then in the classroom situation, we do the understanding and application based questions. So it becomes more, the time is getting optimized, because teaching periods always get affected because of so many festivals. Recently, 8th August turned out to be a holiday, sudden holiday. So such kind of sessions, when we have to conduct with students, as learning is perpetual, ever going, it becomes very challenging. Okay, you keep a day and you plan, I have to complete this thing in this activity base, and suddenly it becomes a holiday. Then what to do? So we enable the child to become self-learner also. कि आप हम पे तो depend कर रही रहो, because we facilitate your learning, but at the same time you also become empowered to learn on your own. And this all systems have tracking. So on my principal's dashboard, teacher's dashboard, you can monitor the child's progress. And it is more of self-learning, more of facilitating, more of all kind of all-round development we say, we give holistic report cards also.
Wonderful.
We give holistic report cards. Our teachers took training for that also. So we are not qualified to test their SQ, EQ, but we write SDE.